Hello and welcome, families, to a new year, 2021. It's going to be exciting. I wanted to share a short video for you to get to know me a little bit. So, I was born and raised in Olympia, Washington. I moved to the Morongo Basin in 2009 when my husband got stationed in 29 Palms. We originally had every intention of going back to Washington when he got out, but we ended up falling in love with the desert and stayed. A little background in my education: I graduated college in 2015 with a degree in public relations and marketing. I soon found out that there were very few job opportunities in this area in the field, so I decided to start substitute teaching to make a little money and found out very quickly that I wanted to be a teacher. To share one of my favorite quotes: "The two most important days in your life are the day you were born and the day you find out why," by Mark Twain. And I really had found my why through the substitute teaching. Um, I started my credential program at Brandman University in the area of social sciences. Once again, I found that there were very few job opportunities for history teachers, and I switched to special education when La Contenta offered me a position. And here I am in my fourth year, and I couldn't be happier with what I do. Here are some pictures of me and my family. My oldest daughter will be a sophomore at UC Santa Cruz, and my youngest daughter will be a sophomore at Yucca Valley High School this year. Here's some pictures of my pets. I have 3 dogs and a bearded dragon. Up in the left-hand corner, that's Max, and he acts just like Eeyore from Winnie the Pooh. You can kind of see that in the picture. Then we have Marley in the right-hand upper corner, and she is super crazy. Bella, our little dog, and she gets picked on by Marley all the time. And then there's Ollie, my bearded dragon. He's a pretty chill bearded dragon. We did have 2 bearded dragons, but Iggy got really sick and passed away last year. Well, that's a little bit about me, and I'm super excited to learn more about you and your family. I am also looking forward to a fabulous year of math and can't wait to meet your children.